Sobrang thankful namin ng buong service team sa inyo. No, one of our most difficult years, pero 2024 we've had challenges sa parts, challenges sa product quality, but you're still here. Hindi kayo nag-give up.
Serbisyong matatag, mabuhay Kondura!
Because of all of that hard work, patience, do you know that Kondura at the end of 2024 is #1 in no frost? Yung success ng Kondura is also your success.
Sa iyong isip at iyong galing, kahit saan dalhin,
Valued service centers, you are not just frontliners, but you are part of the Kondura family. And we have this convention today so that we could recognize all of your efforts, all of your hardship, and your support and commitment to the Kondura brand.
Kasi yan tayo, yan ang Pilipino, nakakabilib talaga, lahing mapanlikha, lakas tibay, galing mo, sa puso mo'y dumadaloy, ibang-iba tayo, iba talagang Pinoy.
Well, yung before this kasi, meron lang talaga kami mga trainings for the service centers, and yun, nagbibigay kami ng award doon sa mga best performers, no? Pero ngayon, inisip namin to give back sa kanila and to really acknowledge yung tulong nila sa Kondura. Kaya naisip namin na magbigay ng loyalty award para kilalanin talaga yung mga matatagal na nag-service sa Kondura, starting from 5 years hanggang 35 years in service.
Sa iyong ngiti, walang islang atrasan, ang lahi mong palaban. Kasi yan tayo, yan ang Pilipino, nakakabilib talaga, lahing mapanlikha.
I hope na all of us will be able to achieve greater heights for 2025. And let's remain resilient. Kaya meron tayo nung serbisyong matatag.
Kasi yan tayo, yan ang Pilipino, nakakabilib talaga, lahing mapanlikha, lakas tibay.
Our mission in Kondura is creating happy spaces for the Filipino people.
Ibang-iba tayo.
Proud to be Kondura.
Proud to be
Part of the Kondura family, and I'm proud of all of you.
Iba
I am very
talagang
thankful sa Kondura for about 35 years. Sinikap namin maging masipag at matyaga sa kanila. Ito na lang masasabi ko, very good ang Kondura sa amin. Thank you very much.
Iba talagang Pinoy.
Ang buhay natin ay napaka-challenging. Minsan
Serbisyong matatag, mabuhay Kondura!
sipag at syaga, pagsubok ay malalagpasan natin ang kusa.
Sagana sa pag-asa, na sa'yo'y mag-aangat, walang atras ang hirap, makamit.
Serbisyong matatag,
Serbisyong matatag,
Kaya't angat para sa mga kapatid.
Kasi yan tayo,
Gusto mo masenso, madiskarte, maparaan,
because all I really wanted to say today is thank you. Thank you for all your hard work, all your dedication, all the support that you have given us all of these years.
Iba talagang Pinoy. Iba talagang Pinoy.